Into ila uHontshisi awufuni ukuqasha ama-South Africans, ubhizi uqashana nama-foreign nationals, whereas ibhizinisi yabo isustainwa, ibreatha in and out imali yama-South Africans. So noma ngabe wena-ke awusijoyini ukuthi siyobavala uHontshisi, at least guys, to support this initiative, do not buy anything from uHontshisi lo osukungavaliwe, but most yabo sibavalile. Do not buy from Hontshisi because they don't value South African money. They only take our money and give it to foreign nationals. Our sisters are unemployed. They don't care. Until they listen, let's not buy from Hontshisi, guys. Awuthi ngithiphise labantu abayibiza ngamalita. Uyabona uma uzazi ukuthi uyahamba wena uye kubaqashi, ukhekheleze, ube incelebane. Uyokhangeza uphaphathe ufuna ama donation. Hambela kude impela nento ze-MK lakho. Uzosha. Uzo-expose kakube buhlungu. Now ke letter of apology guys esendwe uHontshisi uma ukuthi abanye bena bakayiboni. uHontshisi uyaxolisa kakhulu ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi uma i-MK lakho iwukhuza ukuthi awuqashe ama-South Africans. Iqede futhi waholele kahle. Yona iHontshisi yagijima iyobhaca lapha kwi-MK Youth League ifuna ukuthi ba-protect. Thina ke njenge-MK lakho into nje iphathelene nabaqashi silalela uMancinza kuphela. I-MK Youth League ayifocus kuma programs e-MK. Silalela uMancinza kuphela. Metha sovala kusasa sovala futhi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Hontshisi exposiwe i-MK ngemva kokuthi kuthiwe iqasha bantu boqhamuka kuphela. Kuthiwa nje bantu labasebenza la beHontshisi or most of them they are not South Africans, bantu boqhamuka, and bantu bathi kufuna kukhishwe wonke lo muntu longasiwa la South Africa lo sebenza lapha kuletiya tolo ngoba phela bantu bala South Africa banawo umsebenzi yet bantu boqhamuka banemisebenzi kusebenza bona because bafuna kuba exploiter. They know ukuthi bona abantu khona babhadala imali encane basebenzise ama hours lamaningi bangaba office bantu bala South Africa because they know their rights. Ngeke baze bakuvumele lokho say labor desk njeni MK labor desk ithi awakhishwe onke makwerekwere laphana etitolo taseHontshisi or else iyoxhuma nhlava nezinye ziyawufeketha. So bantu abaningi bajabule ngemva kwesimanga and bayibonga kakhulu MK for actually fighting for ma-South Africans because ngaphandle kwayo inkosi yami i-South Africa beyingaba yini. Siyabona ukuthi bayilungisa kakhulu etitolo especially abantu boqhamuka ko-standard benge-order abantu ababhadaleke kahle bababhadalele timali te-labor bahlezi nje nabemikasho ukuthi itinto tihamba ngelayini lapha kuletiya titolo nangokuthi ama-South Africans awagqilateki yahola imali encane nangokuthi abaqashi bantu boqhamuka. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Mina nawe siyohlangana kulenye lensha ledake video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.